This afternoon, the Yimkhiung cultural troupe will be performing for us a log jam pulling demonstration. In the olden days, log jam plays a significant role in the Yimkhiung community. During their times, they believed it is a symbol of virtue, prosperity, truthfulness, and considered it as an epitome of a moment of warfare. During the preparation of the log jam in the deep jungle, it is first the leader who makes a gut mark on the selected tree trunk, and it is believed that if fresh leaves falls, it indicates longevity and prosperity, and if a dry leaf falls, it indicates misfortune to the community. This folk song signifies about the olden days head hunting, when the warriors bring back enemies' heads from the battlefield or from the raids. Those heads were first then put inside the logjam and beaten in the logjam. This song also says, in the process of logjam making, our ancestors chopped down a giant tree to make a logjam. After completing, it is pulled to the village by the entire medicine, and in every important occasion of the village, they beat the logjam in a systematic way to produce a modern medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Yimkhiung cultural troupe. Up next, performing for us is the Kachari cultural troupe.